Tired of messy spreadsheets and endless manual calculations for employee attendance? Well, get ready to ditch the chaos because in the next 90 seconds, I'm going to show you how to create an efficient attendance sheet directly within Clockify. First, if you don't have an account yet, head to Clockify and sign up. It's free. Once you're logged in, navigate to the time tracking section in the left-hand menu and make sure your team members are already invited to your Clockify workspace. The attendance sheet relies on the time entries logged by your team members. Now, click on the Reports tab, also in the left menu, and then click on New Report. This is where the magic happens. You can choose a summary report or a detailed report. Depending on the level of granularity you need for a simple attendance sheet, a summary report will usually suffice. Next, use the filters to customize the report. Select the date range you want to cover, such as the current week or month. Under Group By, choose User to see each employee's attendance separately. Under Show, enable Total Time to see how many hours were logged in total per day. Finally, click the Run Report button to generate your attendance sheet, then click the Export button. Choose your preferred format like CSV or Excel and download your report. Now you have a clear, concise attendance record ready for payroll, performance reviews, or whatever you need. As a bonus, Clockify also offers features for managing time off and absences. Explore the Settings section to configure things like vacation policies, sick leave, and other types of leave, streamlining your HR processes even further.